Hey friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about dry fruits according to your body type. Which body type should eat what kind of dry fruits? Whether we should eat soaked dry fruits or dry fruits without soaking. How to know what is our body type? Actually, regarding that, we already have created video on my channel. You scroll through my channel and you can get to know how to know your body type. You answer all the questions and I will let you know what is your body type. So it is just like when we know our body type, for us it will become very easy what to eat, what not to eat, this to eat, this not to eat. So let's see what Ayurveda has to say about it. As you know, there is a big confusion between dry fruits. Like dry fruits are hot in potency. That means the post-digestive effect of dry fruits is hot, that they enhance the heat in the system. Now the question comes whether Pitta person should eat dry fruits or not. If you are a Pitta body type, that means excess Pitta dosha in your body type and there is excess heat in your body type, means you have Pitta Prakriti, then you should never eat dry fruits without soaking. Why? What will happen if you will eat dry fruits without soaking? Then it will enhance your Pitta dosha in more way, like more heat will happen in your body after eating dry fruits, and that can also cause some skin allergies, some pustules, some vesicles, some abscess or some blood disorders. So it is very important, if you are also Pitta body type and you have a problem with excess heat in the system, then you should always eat dry fruits after soaking. And among dry fruits, what are the best dry fruits for Pitta body type? So the best dry fruits for Pitta body types is raisin and figs and dates. Raisin, figs and dates are very cooling in potency. They help to lower down the heat in the system because they are kapha enhancing, and it is very beneficial to have this raisins. Raisins, when I am saying, I am not talking about the this brown raisins, I am talking about the munakka, that is black raisins, that is with seeds. So you can soak it overnight and in the morning take 7-8 raisins and drink the water in which you have soaked raisins. This water will be sweet in taste and it is very beneficial to enhance the rasa dhatu in the system, and it is very beneficial to decrease the heat in your system. So all Pitta people, they can eat these kind of dry fruits like figs, to some extent dates and raisins after soaking. This way it will make the heat in the system very balanced and it is very beneficial to enhance the immunity and getting proper benefits of dry fruits. But that does not mean you can't eat other dry fruits. You can eat other dry fruits also, but mainly these raisins and figs are more beneficial. Next comes what kind of dry fruit should eat Vata body type person. So for Vata body type person, they can also eat dry fruits but not in excess. As you know, Vata person has low digestive fire. So you can eat dry fruits but not in excess. 2-3 almonds or 5 almonds maximum after soaking and removing the outer peel. Or you can also eat cashews after soaking. Almonds you can eat walnut or hazelnut, or even figs and raisins also you can eat in less amount. But the water in which you will soak the cashew nuts or almonds or walnut or hazelnut, this water you should not drink, because the purpose of soaking is it will remove the heat from the dry fruit. So this water you need to throw and you need to eat just the soaked dry fruit, soaked nut. This kind of dry fruit is very beneficial to enhance the strength in the system, and it is also not very heavy on your digestive fire. So can Vata people eat dry fruits without soaking? If you eat dry fruits without soaking, for you it will become very difficult to digest. As you know, Vata person has very Visham Jatharagni, means very imbalanced digestive fire. So when you are eating these nuts, you need without soaking them, it will enhance the heat in your system and it can cause bloating, excess gas and constipation. So, for Vata person is clear recommendation, you should always eat dry fruits after soaking, don't eat without soaking. Next thing that comes is Kapha body type people. Can Kapha body type people eat dry fruits? As you know, dry fruits are hot in potency and Kapha people can eat it, but if you are eating dry fruits without soaking, you should roast it and then you should eat dry fruits, because dry fruits not only enhance the heat in the system, but they also enhance the kapha dosh. So, if you already have kapha body type and you are eating dry fruits, then your digestive fire is mandagni. That means you will not be able to digest them. So, the recommendation for kapha people is also you can eat dry fruits after soaking them, because after soaking them all the heat part has been removed and they become light to digest. And as you know, if you are a kapha body type, you will have digestive fire on the lower side, you will have more tendency to gain weight and your body will be little on the healthier side. So, that designates you have low metabolism and low digestive fire. So, in this case, but Kapha people are blessed with very good immunity naturally, but in this case you should take nuts but in less quantities. That is too after soaking them. But they can also take soaked raisins and figs, raisins, figs and dates water you can drink, but other nuts like almond, hazelnut, seeds or anything, that you should that water you should throw. In addition to that, can we eat nuts along with tea in the morning? According to Ayurveda, tea and coffee is not at all recommended in the morning. According to Ayurveda, and having nuts with them, it will enhance the heat in your system, because for many people they hope like they are eating dry nuts just like that with coffee or tea, because it's more healthy option than biscuits or cake, and they chose to eat nuts along with tea or coffee. But according to Ayurveda, you should never consume tea or coffee early in the morning, because it enhances the Vata dosh in the system and excessive dryness it causes in your system. And in addition to that, after that you are also using nuts along with this tea or coffee, it will enhance the Vata and Pitta dosha. So, you should never do so. Also, if you keep taking this combination in the morning, it can be one of the biggest reason for your constipation, not doing defecation daily, and also it will enhance the heat in your system, and in the morning you will not feel hunger, and that can also be the reason of bloating and gas in the stomach and losing weight and losing immunity. So, make sure you should never combine nuts with tea or coffee in the morning. So, now the question comes, what should we drink or eat in the morning? At 6 o'clock should we start eating fruits? According to Ayurveda, 6 o'clock is not the time to have fruits. If you want to have fruits, you should always have fruits after there is sunrise, when there is sun in the sky. That means 8:30 or after 8. Before that, if you want to take something, you can take some warm tea, some herbal tea or some warm water or some neem tea or tulsi tea, like any immunity enhancing tonic you can take rather than having tea or even fruits, because if you eat very early fruits in the morning when sun has not raised, when sun has not crossed 30° of the angle, then this kind of fruit will also become very difficult to digest. So, it is very important you have fruits in the morning, but only when there is good angle of the sun and earth, not very early when there is no sunrise. That is the time that you spend in yoga, pranayam, meditation, exercise. If you are doing morning walk or some decoction, this is the time to take this, or some medicine if you are taking for your immunity enhancing. This is the time that you can take all these, but this is not the time to have fruits or dry fruits. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. If you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.